Hey everyone, Technomentor here. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix a Samsung phone that won't turn off. So let's get started. So very first thing you need to do for this method is locate the volume down and the side button. And what you need to do is simply hold both of the buttons together here. I'm going to use two of my fingers, and you just want to keep on holding and holding until the screen goes completely black and you no longer see anything on the screen. And then you're going to wait for the Samsung logo to appear before you let go of those buttons. And it could take 30 seconds to a minute. And we're going to wait until we see the Samsung logo or something to appear before we let go here. So as you can see here, and I see Samsung logo, I let go. And that's going to go ahead and fix a phone that won't turn off. If you're having any issues with a frozen, stuck, or any software issues that are going on, this method is safe. It's just basically forcing it to turn off and then restart itself without deleting any of your data. So once you're back in here, I'm going to show you another thing you may need to do depending on how you're looking to turn it off. Now, if you're thinking of turning it off in terms of getting it to auto lock by itself, but it isn't doing that, what you need to check out is in your settings, you're going to want to go to a display. All right, and from display, you need to check out screen timeout. If you've set a really long timeout, like 10 minutes, it's not going to lock itself or turn off like a lock-in. So you may need to adjust that to a minute or two so that it can auto lock itself after that. So that's how you turn off and fix it. I hope this video was helpful. So please consider the like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks, and thanks for watching.